Big update from Guwahati. The Guwahati Municipal Corporation has approved the naming and renaming of 7 roads and bylanes across key areas of the city. Several bylanes in key areas of Guwahati, including Ju Road, Beltola and Hengrabari, have now received new official identities. The move is expected to improve address identification, emergency services, postal delivery, digital mapping and overall urban administration in the rapidly expanding city. We are bringing you the details. GMC approves naming and renaming of 7 roads across Guwahati. Ju Road, Beltola and Hengrabari roads included in GMC renaming drive. Renaming will improve digital mapping and navigation, says GMC. New road names expected to strengthen emergency and postal services. The Guwahati Municipal Corporation has officially approved the naming and renaming of 7 roads and bylanes across different parts of the city. The decision was finalized after no objections or complaints were received from the public within the stipulated period following a public notice issued on February 5, 2026. According to GMC officials, the initiative aims to improve urban mapping, address identification, postal services and emergency response systems across Guwahati. Among the important changes, the bylane connecting Srimanta Shankardev Path, also known as GS Road, with Manipuri East Road near Grand Plaza building in Ward number 31 has now been renamed as late Professor Randhir Prasad Path. A very old road in Tetiliabari will now be known as Tetiliabari 2 Number Old Sub Road. Another old road in Madhav Dev Nagar Maligaon has been renamed officially as Dahal Basti Path. Meanwhile, Rangamati Path in Chachal has been renamed as Adab Ani Path. In another key change, Sri Krishna Sevas Ram LP School Path in Ward number 25 will now be known as Sanu Ram Boro Path. A small connecting road near Pub Saramotaria has been renamed as Anuplavan Path. Additionally, NS Road at Chabipul in Rehabari has now officially been renamed as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Path. Officials say the renamed roads will help strengthen digital mapping systems, civic administration and urban planning while making navigation easier for residents and visitors. The notification has been officially and formally issued by the GMC Commissioner, making the revised road names effective across the city.
উত্তৰ পূবৰ আগশাৰী শিক্ষা প্ৰতিষ্ঠান প্ৰতীক্ষা গ্ৰুপ অফ ইনষ্টিটিউচনছ 2026 বৰ্ষৰ বাবে আৰম্ভ হ'ল নামভৰ্তি প্ৰক্ৰিয়া বি ফাৰ্ম ডি ফাৰ্ম বিএছচি নাৰ্ছিং বিএমআৰআইটি বিএমএলটি জিএনএম বিপিটি পাঠ্যক্ৰমৰ বাবে মুকলি নামভৰ্তি 17 এপ্ৰিলৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ হৈছে বিনামূলীয়া CWE কোচিং আজিয়ে যোগাযোগ কৰক এই নম্বৰত 97063 21768 91810 22366 আৰু 9181022377